Do you like Play-Doh? Great! Today we are making Play-Doh. Hey kiddos, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making colorful Play-Doh. Wow, great! Let's have fun. This is very simple and easy. First we need cornflour. 1, 2, 3, 4 spoon of cornflour. Now we need 1 spoon of salt. Aha! Mix, 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 mix. Now we need 2 spoon of glue. 1, 2. Now we add 2 spoon of glue. Then we need oil. Let's mix everything. Mix, 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 mix. Mix slowly, slowly, slowly. Wow, it's so soft. Press it softly. It's satisfying.
London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Build it up with sticks and stones, sticks and stones, sticks and stones.
Mix, 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 mix.
My fair lady.
Press softly. Mix, 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 mix.
Sticks and stones will all fall down, all fall down, all fall down. Sticks and stones will all fall down, my fair lady.
If your Play-Doh is dry, you add some few drops of oil.
Wood and clay, build it up with wood.
Mix, 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 mix.
Fair lady.
The most important part is mixing and pressing.
Wood and clay will wash away, wash away.
Oh friends, look, it's very soft.
Wood and clay will wash away, my fair lady. Build it up with iron.
So soft and fun.
Iron and steel, build it up with iron and steel.
Now let's try our Play-Doh is ready or not. Okay? Press, 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 press. Roll, 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 roll. Aha! Roll, press, fix. Aha! Our alphabet is ready. Yes, we did it. Our Play-Doh is ready. Let's play with Play-Doh. Make balls, make shapes, alphabet, numbers. Great. Now let's add colors. this is a red color. Mix, 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 mix. Wow, great! We make red Play-Doh. But don't forget, mixing point is very important point. Mix, 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 mix. Wow, it's very soft. This is green color. Mix, mix, mix. Now we are making green Play-Doh. Don't forget, mixing point is very important point. Mix, 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 mix. Our green Play-Doh is ready. Next, we are making yellow Play-Doh. Do you like yellow color? Great! Mix, 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 mix. Press, mix. Great! Our Play-Doh is very soft. Great! Looks? Wow, amazing! White color. Press, mix. Mixing point is very important point. Wow kids, look, our white Play-Doh is ready. Next, blue. Add some blue color and mix as well. Mix, 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 mix. It's very satisfying. Look, our blue Play-Doh is ready. Great. Check as well. Press, roll, 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 roll. Aha! You make shapes, ball, numbers, alphabets. Wow, great! Our Play-Doh is ready. All thanks to you. Bye-bye.
Wow! Thank you for watching my video. Okay, please like, share and subscribe. Okay, hit on the bell icon.